Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make today some cheesy hash and eggs. I bought a new grill. It fits over the top of 2 eyes on the stove, and we're going to be using that. I promised you I was going to cook some stuff on there, so today is the day, guys. Alright, so let's do it. Thanks. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe. I already heard from a few of you. You really like the grill and the other items that I purchased and did a demo on. Okay, alright, so let's do it. And by the way, check out those links below and see if you would like to donate to the benefit of this channel. That would be wonderful. Okay, alright. Okay guys, so this is the hash browns I already started. Okay, I grated it with this grate here, the top section, and I left one piece to show you. Okay, this was a large potato, so let's finish this. And when it gets too small, don't do no more because you'll cut your hand. You might have to turn it. You see how I just turned it to get another angle. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, I'm going to pour this water off. Okay, I poured the water off, and this is the hash browns what we have left. The reason why you gotta keep it in water is they'll turn brown. Okay, so this is a grill that I got at the Christmas tree shop for $16.99. It's cast iron, and it has 2 sides. I showed you the other day, but just in case someone missed it. This side you can cook like hamburgers, hot dogs, sausage. You can mock meat with it. Okay, so it's a 2-sided. How about that? Reversible. That's a good deal, right? Got some spaghetti there. Okay. So now I'm going to turn the fire on both eyes, the front and the back. Okay. So we're going to let that heat up a minute. And then we're going to put some oil there. Also we have some cut up onions that we're going to put in there. This is 1 small onion. And then we have our eggs, because remember it's cheesy hash eggs. And I have some American cheese here that we're going to put in. Okay? Alright. Okay, that feels hot. Alright, we're going to put some olive oil on the grill. Okay, so I'm going to put the onions on one side, and it's not hot. And I'm going to put the hash browns on this side as soon as it gets hot. Okay, so I'm going to give this 2 minutes. I'll bring you right back, and then we'll put the hash browns on. Thank you. Okay, the onions, I can hear them sizzling, so it's ready. Alright, so we're going to put the hash browns on this side. And this is one large white potato. That made a lot, didn't it? Okay, I'm going to put some oil on the top of the hash brown. Okay, let's season the hash browns up. I have some garlic. Adobo. Let's go with some Brio seasoning, which is very hot. Okay, if you don't like hot, maybe you want to use black pepper or some other kind. Okay, I'm going to put some on the onions too, as well as the garlic on the onions and adobo. You know, this is really good. You could do pancakes, all kinds of things. I'm going to experiment and show you. I want to spread it out so that it can cook evenly. And watch this trick, guys. Aluminum foil. Okay? Don't have it hanging over the side because you don't want it to get mixed with the fire. Just put it right over the top. You notice how I fold the middle in so that there's nothing hanging over. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day? Okay, the word of the day. The word of the day is complainer. Do you live with a chronic complainer? No matter what you do, it's still a complaint. No matter what you say, it's still a complaint. No matter how hard you try, it's still a complaint. And what is the complainer doing? Well, they're not doing any of those things that they're complaining to you about, right? Because their role is the chronic complainer. That's their role. So, you know, don't expect them to do what they're asking you to do. Just remember this. You can never, ever, ever, ever please a chronic complainer. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's check on our home fries and onions that are cooking, okay? Okay, so let's see how we're doing. Oh, we're doing good. It's crisp, nice and crisp. Let me show you. See? Alright, so now let's mix the onions with the hash browns. Alright, so now, let me make sure you can see me. There we go. I'm going to crack the 2 eggs. Okay, we're going to pour the eggs right over top of the hash browns. Okay. Now we're going to add our cheese. That's one slice. I'm going to put 2 slices on. 2 slices. I'm going to turn my fire to number 2. You're going to have to keep flipping it until the eggs are not runny. Okay. Now we're going to place some cheese right on the top. Okay? We're going to just let that melt. I'm cutting the fire off because it's done, but I just want the cheese to melt a little. What do you think, guys? Looking good? This would be great for breakfast, right? Oh yeah, cheese is melting. I can see it right here. Okay, let me wash this. Alright guys, it's done. Now we're going to take it off. You notice I have 2 spatulas, okay? I'm going to come in from both sides so I can try to have my presentation as one. It doesn't break up. There we go. There you go, guys. Cheesy hash browns and eggs. How about that, huh? Hash browns from scratch. Everything from scratch. You like that? Okay, so let me take a taste. 1 second. Okay, guys, look at that. Okay? Alright, let's take a bite. Wow, that's all you need. You got breakfast right there. You have your cheese, your potatoes, your eggs. That's all you need. It's really good and creamy too. I like it. I want to take another bite. I like it so much. That'll work. Okay guys, it's a pleasure. Love you. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share the video, check out the links below, see if you want to support the channel. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.